In my first lesson on high-frequency words, students will use word cards to make the high-frequency words by choosing the letters needed from the alphabet box. The 6 words students have been asked to make are see, that, is, you, can, and what. I will show students how to form a word on the word card by modelling the activity using the word see as an example. I will sound the word out to the students after all the letters have been found to build the word from the alphabet box and placed into the correct order on the word card to replicate the high-frequency word. I would then ask students what high-frequency word we have built and if they can use the word to form a sentence. Then I would direct students to build the remaining 5 high-frequency words. Students will complete this by selecting letters from the alphabet box to build the remaining 5 words, pairing up with a partner to pronounce each word they have built. My second lesson on high-frequency words will begin with revision. I will recite the 6 words to the students as a group. In this lesson, students will work independently, using their high-frequency cards, writing down each word 5 times in their exercise book. I will then one by one check students have written all 6 high-frequency words multiple times and ask students to recite the words see, that, is, you, can, and what. I will ask students what they know about the word and where they have seen or heard it before. By doing this, I will make notes in the book to check if they can write and pronounce the word correctly. Students will work in pairs while waiting for myself to think about how they could use the words to form a sentence, sharing their ideas with the partner and the group. To then begin the third lesson, I will write and discuss a group of high-frequency words majority of the group got incorrect. Each student will then practice writing the words and reciting each word as a group. Students will then be supplied each with a different worksheet. The worksheet will have a high-frequency word on it that the individual student is struggling with. I will show students how to fill out the activity sheet, completing the first line of the worksheet as a class on the board using the word see as an example. Students will then be asked to fill in the blanks of where they could place the high-frequency word to complete the sentence. At the end of the lesson, I will randomly select students from the classroom to each read out a sentence from their worksheet. As I write these on the board, I will ask students to spell the high-frequency words to help all students learn how each word can be used in a sentence.